Good afternoon everybody, welcome back. We are going to be unboxing the Govee Smart Wall Sconces. Before we get too far into this video, I would like to disclose that this is not a sponsored video. All products purchased on this channel are for personal use. The kit comes with everything you need, ranging from the power adapter to the mounting hardware to the lights themselves. It's only to the end, so pray tonight. So you The included hardware comes with several presets such as RGB, warm white, cool white, neutral white, and several music sync modes. Now it's time for a clean install above my windows. For the longest time I was hesitant to buy these lights based on customer reviews, but for my application these are the perfect fit. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys for the next video.